Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your location in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our suggestions, some clothes and articles. From here we have to go into the profile menu. Then tap on settings, and then in settings we tap on profile details. Then at the bottom we find my location, and here we can just select the country that we live in, that we want to have offers from, in the sense of we want to find clothing articles that are in this country. So yeah, we can just select it here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.